Good evening. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ultrawide gaming monitors, and we have a serious contender on the bench, the Samsung 49-inch Odyssey G93SC QD-OLED. This behemoth boasts a stunning QD-OLED panel, a blistering 240Hz refresh rate, and a host of features aimed at delivering the ultimate immersive gaming experience. But does it live up to the hype? Join me as we unbox this monitor, explore its features, and put it through its paces to determine if it's worth the investment. Welcome back to AI Tech Bundle. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing. As you can see, the packaging is substantial, reflecting the size and premium nature of the product. Inside, we expect to find the monitor itself, the stand components, power cable, DisplayPort and HDMI cables, and the usual documentation. Samsung has done a good job with the packaging, ensuring everything is well protected during transit. The components feel solid and well made. The stand, in particular, has a premium feel with its metal construction. The monitor itself, well, it's breathtaking. The sheer size and curvature are immediately captivating. Let's get it assembled and powered on. The assembly process is relatively straightforward. The stand easily clicks into place with a secure mechanism. It's worth noting that the stand offers excellent adjustability in terms of height, tilt, and swivel, allowing you to find the perfect ergonomic position. Now, let's take a closer look at the design. The monitor features a sleek, minimalist aesthetic with a matte black finish. The incredibly slim bezels contribute to a near-borderless viewing experience. The rear of the monitor features a clean design with the necessary ports discreetly located. Overall, the build quality is excellent, and the design exudes a premium feel. Let's delve into the specifications that make this monitor so intriguing. Panel type: 49-inch QD-OLED, Quantum.OLED. Resolution: Dual QHD, 5120 by 1440. Refresh rate: 240 Hz. Response time: 0.03 milliseconds. GTG. Curvature: 1800 R. HDR: DisplayHDR True Black 400. Adaptive Sync: AMD FreeSync Premium Pro. Connectivity: DisplayPort 1.4, HDMI 2.1 by 2, USB hub. Warranty: 3-year warranty. The QD-OLED panel is the star of the show. This technology combines the perfect blacks and infinite contrast of OLED with the improved brightness and color volume of quantum dot technology. The result is a visually stunning picture quality. The 240 Hz refresh rate and ultra-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time promise exceptionally smooth and responsive gameplay. DisplayHDR True Black 400 certification ensures excellent HDR performance with deep blacks and bright highlights. And the inclusion of AMD FreeSync Premium Pro minimizes screen tearing and stuttering for an even smoother gaming experience. The Odyssey G93SC features a comprehensive OSD that allows you to fine-tune various settings, including brightness, contrast, color temperature, and response time. It also includes features like picture-by-picture, PBP, and picture-in-picture. PIP allows you to display content from 2 different sources simultaneously. Game mode provides optimized settings for various game genres. Black equalizer improves visibility in dark areas of the screen. So, is the Samsung 49-inch Odyssey G93SC worth the investment? The answer is a resounding yes, if you're looking for the absolute pinnacle of immersive gaming experiences and are willing to pay a premium for it. The QD-OLED panel delivers breathtaking picture quality, the 240 Hz refresh rate ensures incredibly smooth gameplay, and the overall design and features are top-notch. However, the high price point and sheer size of the monitor mean it's not for everyone. Consider your budget and available desk space carefully before making a decision. Ultimately, the Samsung Odyssey G93SC is a truly exceptional gaming monitor that sets a new standard for immersive experiences. It earns a highly recommended rating from me. What are your thoughts on the Odyssey G93SC? Let me know in the comments below. The link to purchase the monitor from Amazon is in the video description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.